fuck?
Eastern Jefferson County until midnight Central Daylight Time tonight.
What the hell?
At 8:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
What is wrong with my camera?
Indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across
I didn't mean to do that.
between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen.
What the fuck?
Additional rainfall amounts to 3 inches
I fucked up Jefferson County.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
What the hell?
Flash flooding caused by
Look at my camera.
Source radar.
Oh my god, I fucked up my camera.
Highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Birmingham, Hoover, Vestavia Hills, Bessemer, Homewood, Mountain Brook, Trustville, Hueytown, Gardendale, Iredale, Leeds, Moody, Fairfield, Fultondale, Center Point, Pleasant Grove, Clay, Kitson, Tarrant, and Whitfield.
Great.
Turn around.
There's just a bit of dirt on my camera. I got worried for a moment. There's probably nothing to worry about since the beginning. Because I'm a little dumb.
Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
Okay, there.
The current time is 8:49 p.m. Central Daylight
What the
Time.
fuck?
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Jefferson County until midnight Central Daylight Time tonight. At 8:47 p.m.
Of course.
Central Daylight Time.
Of course.
Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms.
Y'all
producing
had
heavy
to.
rain
Y'all
across
just
the
had
Warren
to.
area.
Y'all just had
1
to.
and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area.
It's just...
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding.
Which
of
one is
small
on?
streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Birmingham, Hoover, Vestavia Hills, Bessemer, Homewood, Mountain Brook, Trustville, Hueytown, Gardendale,
Turn off.
Iredale, Leeds, Moody, Fairfield, Fultondale, Center Point, Pleasant Grove,
Oh, it's
Clay,
this one.
Kitson, Tarrant, and Whitfield. Turn around.
Okay. I can hear the rain. It's pouring, so... Yeah, I don't think any of the AM/FM stations relayed that. They typically don't relay FFWs. But I feel like I have a better time at getting BMX alerts on AM/FM compared to any other office. I checked West, and it's like the only office where I can find tons of stations that relay not just TRs, but also SVRs and other kinds of alerts. It's like the main one I can find stuff for. I'm glad that's the area I live in. Makes it a lot easier.